morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. What is this, like episode 9 of the Road to Getting Funded series? And we're getting a little bit closer, you know. We've had a decent trading week so far. Nothing crazy. I think I'm up like 300 now on the 25k valuation. But just a couple days ago, I was down like 300 to 400 on it. So we've had a good comeback week. Yesterday, I had 2 really solid trades. I had a 1 to 3 on oil, and I had a 1 to 2 on the Russell. So I'm happy to say it's been a decent week. Now we still got 2 more trading days because today is Thursday morning. I think markets open up in about an hour. So I'm going to go to my computer and do all my pre-market preparation and stuff. And I think the plan for this video will be to do some trading this morning. And I'm probably going to go out and get my hair cut. It's just getting a little bit too long. I like to have my hair, a little bit shorter. Then I got a mail package for eBay. And then today I think we're going to do a gym montage. Sorry, it's quite windy outside this morning. I really hope the microphone is not picking that up too much. So yeah, I think we're doing a gym montage because it's been quite a while since I've done that. Lately I've just been going out on my days off of work and going to garage sales and stuff and doing more eBay stuff. And that's kind of taking away a little bit of time from the gym. I've still been hitting the gym, just not quite as consistently. So I want to get back in the gym more consistently. So anyway, I need to make my coffee and then get to my computer. So let's get the day started. Alright, market opens up here in less than 10 seconds, so we're gonna just wait patiently for a setup, and then, oh, there's the bell. Let me turn that down. And yeah, like always, I'm gonna switch over to the screen recording, because I think it's a lot easier to see the screen that way, so let's just wait patiently for a good setup. So I'll see you guys soon. Alright, I haven't really found a trade today until now. Maybe this pullback on the Dow here to this key level, it's starting to get me interested. I'm just not 100% sure because there was some consolidation after a rally. So depending on the close of this 5-minute candle, it'll probably determine whether I take it or not. And as of right now, it's not looking that great. So this might be a no trade day, honestly. Like ES and NQ are not doing anything. I thought about going short here off the opening print on ES, but it's just chopping back and forth. So yeah, if there's no great setup, there's no reason to force a trade. So I might just call it a day early. Alright guys, no trades for me today. Markets are just too slow. There was a potential setup on the NASDAQ here. We basically reclaimed this level and started to bounce off of it. Now, I'm not going to take it. It's already 10:30, and things are just too slow and choppy, so I don't think it's worth it. If we miss out, we miss out. I don't think it's an A+ setup anymore. And so now I need to pack up a pair of shoes that we sold. Let me show you my wall of shoes here. So as you can see, I got quite a few pairs of shoes from that Kohl's clearance discount deal or whatever it was. I've sold a few pairs so far, and these Nikes right here, these sold yesterday, so it's time to pack these up and ship them. Now, unfortunately, this box did not come with a lid. I'm not sure why. Most of them did, but so I think to pack these, I'll wrap it in some of this tape and wrap the whole thing in bubble wrap. And then we'll go ahead and put it into this little plastic like poly mailer. It seals up, whatever you want to call it. All right, now that we got the shoes in the plastic sealed bag here, all we have to do now is print the label from our little label printer. So we should be able to do that right now. Here we go. Rip it off, peel off the back, and then go ahead and just stick it on like this. There we go. All right, let's go drop this package off, and then let's go ahead and hit the gym. All right, so I got kind of distracted on my way to the post office, and I stopped at a garage sale like right on my street. I got a whole box of video games and like Blu-ray and DVDs for $15. There's over 20 items in here, and everything was $1 each. And I said, "Can I have the whole box for 15?" And they said, "Yeah." So I made a little deal at a garage sale and got some video games. So let's go inside and mail these packages. Hi.
Hi.
Got 2 packages for
Sure. You want a receipt?
No thanks, that one's good.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Alright, just now getting to the gym. I did unfortunately forget my tripod, so I'll have to just set up my GoPro wherever works best. So I'll do my best to get some good gym clips, but I was planning on getting my hair cut right after I dropped off the packages, but I checked the wait online and it was like 45 minutes and I did not do an online check-in, so just gonna wear a hat for the day. We'll get our hair cut in the next couple days. But yeah, I just want to talk about my trading for a minute here. So this morning I said that yesterday I had a really great day, and I'll show you guys the live trades like a little bit later in this video. And yeah, for whatever reason, I just think yesterday I was trading with a lot of confidence. That's something I've really been trying to work on, because if you don't have confidence to execute your trade plan, it's just not gonna work, man. And so my mentality lately has been, if you see a trade, just take it. And even if the outcome is a loss, who cares? It's a part of my plan, so I'm going to take the trade. And if I lose, that's okay. I'll journal through it and move on to the next trade. Because I think fear really causes me to miss out on some good trades. Like if I take a loss, sometimes I'm scared to take the next trade. And of course, that next one would have ended up being a winner, and I missed out on it. But yesterday, I had much more confidence and it really paid off. So moving forward, I'm just going to start to really focus on having more confidence in my trading plan. So let's go ahead, let's go inside and get a good workout in. I'm going to do arms and back today, and then I might do a little bit of cardio towards the end. So alright, done at the gym now. And I did manage to get my haircut at this Great Clips that's like right next to it. I didn't have a very long wait, so I checked in on my phone. And then I went and bought some Night Cub foods. And then I got in right away, and I think they did a pretty great job. So haircut's all cleaned up now. So now we're gonna head back home and just get some good protein in me. I don't eat a lot for breakfast. I just have, you know, oatmeal, maybe a protein bar or something. So I'm gonna probably make some eggs and stuff. And then I think tonight I'm really going to do an in-depth review of my trades from the previous week. At some point in the week, I'd like to basically print off all the trades I took and really just kind of like take notes on them with a pen and stuff. And I like to physically write down, like, okay, why did I take this trade? Where did I enter? Where did I exit? What did I do wrong? You know, it might not be totally necessary to do this, but I think when you're taking notes on your trades and you're really looking at them in depth, it can really make a difference. And I think it's just a more in-depth way of journaling. And I think it has helped me out. So let's get home.
I'm disciplined while trading. I understand exactly what I'm supposed to do, but then there's people who trading's just not for them. And
alrighty guys, it's quite a few hours later now. It's just past 10:30. I'm about to go to bed here pretty soon. I was just listing some of those video games on eBay that I got at the sale this morning, and I was watching game one of the finals with a buddy for a little while. And now I'm going over my trades here on paper. So basically what I do is I print out my trades on paper, and then I take notes on them, and I write down a few little bullet points, and I basically just kind of explain where I entered, why I entered, and how I managed the trade. And at the same time, I look at my notes from my journal, so I just kind of know what my thought process was in the trade. And this is where we're at so far this week. We've taken 5 trades this week. So now I'm going to go ahead and play the live recording so you guys can see the trades I've taken so far. Might not show all of them because the video will probably be too long. So I'll probably show some losses and some wins. And then I'll just meet you guys tomorrow morning for the last trading day of the week. So enjoy the live trading. Okay, I've entered this trade on the Dow here. It's a little bit later in the day. I don't always take trades past 10 a.m., but still, I think it's a very valid setup. Yeah, basically the Dow came back down to test this zone and closed above it on the 5 minute, so.
Stop filled. Order filled.
I just entered this oil trade here. It's a little bit choppy, but it's showing some nice rejections of this key level here, and I think we can, you know, potentially get down to these lows here. Maybe I should go for a higher risk reward. Okay, there's another potential trade playing out here. It's on the RTY.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna have to risk 150 on it because there is quite a bit of leverage
Order filled.
in RTY.
Order submitted.
So now we got 2 trades going. Oil trade. It's working out. Okay, I just got an alert that oil is getting close to my take profit, so this would typically be my break-even point.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm trying to stay patient here. I don't even want to look at this oil chart. I want to wait for my take profit to hit, and our target was just hit on the RTY. That was like a perfect trade, man.
Target filled.
Would you look at that? We got our 1 to 3. Let's go, man.
Here in the short term until the split. Yeah, I'm sort of thinking like let's wait 12:30, right there. Alright,
good morning guys. We just got a couple minutes before market opens, and I honestly thought we weren't going to be able to trade today because I was having some broker issues with like NinjaTrader. Sometimes it doesn't connect to the live data. Basically this green light means you're connected, but before it was yellow, which means you're not connected to the live data. But I just restarted the platform and now it seems to be working. It seems like everything is updating. It seems like I've got all the real data, so it looks like we will be able to trade. Now it is Friday, so I'm going to be very careful. It seems like Fridays are usually not my best trading days. I took back-to-back losses last Friday, so I'm going to be very patient and really wait for a good setup. Otherwise, I'm not going to trade at all. So market opens up right now. Yep. Jeez, gotta turn that down. So if I do find a setup, I'll go ahead and switch over to the screen recording. I'm not going to try and record it with this little camera. So let's just wait patiently. Alrighty guys, I did actually find a little trade here. Basically ES is doing a break and retest of the previous all-time high. You can see we had multiple touches of this level here. We got above it and okay, looks like we're going to get stopped out.
Stop filled.
Okay, pretty much instantly got stopped out there. It's not fun. I honestly do think it was worth it though. After I saw this retest in this little bottom wick here, I placed a limit order. Of course, it just barely fills me, and then instantly goes down, stops me out. Only lost 100 though, and even if it starts to go back up, I'm not going to re-enter. There's no reason to take back-to-back losses on the same setup on a Friday like this. So, alright guys, I'm just now getting to work, so no more trades for me today. I went 0 for 1 today, which is all right, but I'm honestly not super happy with my overall trading today. You know, I managed risk well. I only lost $100 on that little ES trade. But the thing that I'm not happy about is that I missed out on some other opportunities. For some reason, I just didn't have the same confidence today that I had earlier this week. Like 2 times the NASDAQ was bouncing off this key support or demand zone, whatever you want to call it. And I could have had back-to-back winning trades off that level alone. But for some reason, I didn't have the confidence to take it. Plus, I was getting distracted, which is just not a good excuse at all. I was like, oh, the price action's slow. Let me go look at my eBay store. Let me start making some like prize picks lineups, because I've been making some money betting on like basketball and baseball, and that's just not okay. When I'm trading, I need to be fully focused on trading. So yeah, we still had a profitable week, but honestly today could have been just so much better if I was a little more focused this morning and had a little more confidence. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. So no Amazon vlog today. The video is probably just getting too long, and like always, if you guys have any advice for me about my trading, feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below. I love to hear your advice. I love to read it and reply to you, because I'm not where I want to be yet, and you guys are really helping me out, and I appreciate that. And thank you guys again so much for the support on the channel in the past like month or two. It's unbelievable how much we've grown. I think we're almost monetized, probably like 2 or 3 videos away, and I'm very thankful for that. So that's gonna be it for this video. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.